Hi, welcome back. Our room here. Today we continue our playthrough in Genshin Impact version Luna 7, The Truth Among the Page of Furuna. So we got a new chain quest called Hell. Well, what's we gonna do here? So yeah, the paradise become hell. I guess the last one, the something mountain, is actually the chain quest name. So we have, but it's not part of the chapter because this hell is the second chapter. Well, the paradise is the first chapter. So I guess it's just the prerequisite for this a day in the mountain wasteland, right? Something I don't remember. A day in the mountain or something. A long day in the mountain. Yes. So anyway, let's do a bit recap. So after we're done with all the area, we go back to the main hall, and there a discussion, the dialogue between Historia and Lin, which I still don't know. Is there a reason for that dialogue? Like, I mean, it's something to do with Hilda, but I feel like this is a hint, but they're saying something, but I don't know the point of what they said is what I mean. You know what I mean? Unless I just don't understand the word. Anyway, after that scene, they said, "Oh, okay, so let's do the stuff. We plan the next move." Again, this next move is technically just about Lin. So we want Lin to leave the Temple of Space. That's our first goal because we have another goal, which is something to do with the two things. First, something to do. We want to learn more about the god that built Temple of Space because the cube remind traveler what the thing they see in the beginning of the game. Second is a Nihilita request. The whole thing about freeing Ionis. I don't know what Ionis is still. But before we do that stuff, we decided to make sure that Lin go back safely. Right? That's our goal. But then when we gonna do that, something happened, obviously. Melanta realized that what's going on in the area that I punish someone or something, clear the area or not, rescue, not rescue, return the area into normal. That's why found out who the one and then just cast them to this apathic, the area that Historia mentioned multiple times in the beginning. Somehow in this area we have this memory, I guess because of the memory thing. They show in the memory when we first enter Teyvat, not enter Teyvat, when we first start the game. That's not when we first enter Teyvat, by the way. That's just when we first start the game. That's different. And somehow we have this, you shall not pass, and then something happened, which changed scene multiple times. And then we end up in apathic area. I don't remember the full name. And before we doing that though, Paimon called us. So I guess Paimon somehow didn't count toward these people who trying to do something in Temple of Space. So she doesn't get punished unless because she is something else that Melanta recognize or something, the essence. We don't know yet because after we stop the video, we still don't know. We don't see Paimon. But anyway, when we this area, we found this cube, the new cube, which absorbed by Dex, which again we meet with Historia, Lin, and also one new NPC, Lara, which I don't know what the importance of this new NPC and why we need a new NPC right now. And I maybe this person will be important, hopefully, because again you can just use the one we seen before instead of new NPCs that we never seen in the previous area. We only see him in that scene. That's that just an example of someone that went to this punishment, right? Apathic something, I don't know the name. So yeah, I wonder. Anyway, we done collecting the core, that much core, which was come from this divine protection. I don't remember the name. It's a long name. Basically a cube. So many cube, yes. Minecraft area. And now we're gonna do the thing in front. In front of us, the building with hand. That's we're gonna go next, and probably Dex gonna do something, open the area, and we're gonna go to new area. Maybe we meet Paimon again. I don't know. We will see. Anyway, that's all the recap. Let's go in. This is the first time, by the way, I charge my phone while recording, so hopefully it's not heating up badly because I don't wanna wait. I don't have time today, so decided to just playing or recording while charge the phone. Hopefully it's not overcharged or not causing issue with the game performance, because I remember that one video is lagging between audio and video. Sadly, I didn't realize that until I uploaded, so it is what it is for the 2 hour meeting point thing. Anyway, as usual, before we begin, let's change to controller and sit. This exactly immediately after, so we're gonna go to this middle building, but I get the chest. I don't remember, did I get the chest from here last time? I did, I think. I don't see any chest. So yeah, let's just go to the middle area. Wait a minute. Oh, never mind. The thing, before we do that, actually, let's read. Yes, why not navigate? Let's see the description. Break the seal. You recover gently plus bit. Okay, this sound description. The seal, huh? This giant hand look like you. Dex, do you know this guy? Like, what is this place? Is it like a prison or something? Something desire. Lost your... Then this symbol. I remember that symbol over there and over there. That's the runic language in Genshin, which I don't know what that means. Anyway, hello? Break the seal. Oh, the one at the top as well. Look, something floating. Is this elevator? Ah. What if I do this before? Oh, it's... Maybe I should do it from this. Or I should do it before. I don't know, let's do it in outside of the area. Oh, cutscene anyway. Oh, it's destroying the hand. And then staircase to paradise. Oh, I turn into my character. And this is my outfit, the one that I wear. So I guess the last one was trial character. Why they I don't understand. Sometimes they use trial, sometimes they use our own traveler. Maybe because this one we able to control our character. I mean, yes. Anyway, stair. Description still lion celerity. I'm ascending. I remember something to do. I think I remember Nihilita mentioned ascend. Oh, oh boy. Array. Oh, interesting. Isn't that no upside down, this sideway. That hand is kinda further away than before. Oh, what the angle? You know what I mean. I wanna check the other area. Yeah, as you can see, the area changed. If everything seems far away now. Anyway, I still don't know the history behind this mechanic. Is there any reason why we become a bird-looking thing? Fear of pure joy, and we would was the wall of lament first, and then the wall of okay. So many wording I never seen. Wall of lament. Lament? You mean Zhao? Okay, the hand actually move. Dex, counter this. Oh, whoa, why? Oh, well. Return to the center of the filler hole. Watch out. You can use Dex to hold it off for a short time. What do you mean? Where? Oh, when can I use Dex? Oh, oh, oh. Ooh. You cannot really avoid the thing after you have a force to some, or maybe I need to rotate more often. Yeah. Why that thing feel further away? No, it's getting closer. Maybe I'm so slow that, you know. What? Okay, it's closer. Take my hand. Oh, don't grab me. You're gonna grab me. Nope. Yes, the star. Shit. Oh, where are we? What is this place? What's that? Talk to everyone? What? Talk to everyone? Oh, we come from below. Oh, I see. So that the landscape. Yes, we become red. I saw this. Okay, so the hell is below. And I forgot what of the heaven of nothingness. So I know I never seen you. Okay, so this guy is new, Alara. So who's Alara? And how important Alara? But yes, red. Paimon, you miss me. It's great. Hello, we're gonna have the fight with, yes, Paimon. Whatever you go, just gonna you two as in Lin and me, and ignore the Historia. Attack there. Paimon calling your name the whole time. Yes, I hear your voice somehow. Why wasn't Paimon dragged into apathic interval? Well, I wonder. Other than eating and sleeping, she doesn't really think much of. Oh, desire. You mean because of the desire? Really? Oh, no, I mean, sure. Look like Melata really is angry now. I mean, obviously. Has become urgent. Yeah, so we're gonna face Melanta first. Which, that's probably the end of the. I feel like that's the end of the main world quest. Let's talk somewhere else. This place is an extra. Okay, where? I know no one else, but yes, Alara. So who? Judgment. Okay, chapter 2 is so fast that I feel like maybe I should end the video after. Anyway, you know what I mean. Chapter 3, the final judgment. The naming of this chapter is interesting. This is the last one, I think. The final judgment, which is the one we're gonna face Melanta. I wanna say some. I wanna check something. If you go to, yes, this one is emptiness as well. The name anyway. So if you check this and then you check reward review and then you click a long day in the mountain and then you're gonna see, oh, so this is already the one. The subtitle will be a long day in the mountain soon. Anyway, there's still so much question I wanna ask, but I don't know. The whole thing with Hilda, Lin, and I feel like I want to learn more about this Temple of Space, so I don't know, we still have time for them to explain the thing. And maybe, because I need to explore more anyway, maybe the answer will be not in the chain quest, but when I finish exploring this area. Yeah, of course. Idiot was again at the excellent of the coordinates. If you go back the model this way, you know what choice you will make. What do you mean, choice? What do you mean? It's something that she hide. There's something else I forgot to mention. After we talk with Historia at the end or at the beginning of last video, he said that he want to talk about something with Lin, which we never seen. What kind of talk did they have, I wonder? We shall do that, that's all it is. What are you talking about? Yes, finally. Are you actually gonna explain what you to talk about? We're gonna fix the plot happen and the lesson. The only one who went to Finland for all of us. Are you saying Lin? Oh, the one who gave up every last memory was your sister. Okay, so I mean, okay. What do you mean? The one who went to Vice Melanta for... Okay, so this happened before I arrived. But what about Mikey? Mikey also in Teyvat, so I guess Mikey also doing the same thing. Is what I'm assuming. Because Mikey is there. On Teyvat. Wait a minute, I'm saying the order. Wait, I still don't know the order. So I'm saying she come here and then she lost her memory. And then the graveyard happened. I still feel like the graveyard is the beginning. So she currently just like Mikey somewhere in Teyvat maybe. I don't know. We will see. Are Naze Nari. Back then, the early sign of Melanta madness had begun. Back then, how long ago was Melanta mad? I thought that was a long time ago. As soon as when Asmodee gone, or maybe recently. Like the concept of time doesn't make sense here, as we know of. And I assume Lin and Hilda are twin. So again, I need timeline here. When, if Melanta madness stuff, we will see. After we're not machine, blah, 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 blah. She heard the Melanta increasing everything about Trirani. Saw the many souls who had been cast down by his judgment. Although the truth everything here was nothing more than an unpleasant glimpse of paradise. No need for anger, no need for sorrow, since he too has been set up here by Nihilita. Nihilita could always send her back. Wait a minute, are you saying we can send Lin back right now without doing this stuff? Presenting just as she was. That's exactly what she said as well, huh? You two really are alike. Okay, so are you saying Lin also able to live using Dex? Are you saying that? I thought we were gonna do the thing because of the Lin. What? Okay. Because Lin also the same. Like Hilda. They get here because Nihilita stuff. Dex, I mean. Maybe Lin is Hilda, is what I mean. That's also my second guess, by the way, beside the twin thing. Maybe Lin is Hilda after she lost all her memory in Temple of Space. And outside too. But you said this before, the new with the god of the Temple of Space go on, the part of the heaven would vanish after it's been used once. So it's supposed to look the path is left for us. If I was for the kid, then my tactical advice would be similar in the pits. No one know what Melanta said to Hilda, but afterward, in the fit of rage, she feared the path to the heaven and had been formed from your sister's memory, or your own memory, and how they left this place. Then doesn't that mean someone has to give up all the memory again to get set up? Hey, what about Dex? Isn't that the same species as the bandit? If Melanta can go back and forth, then maybe Dex can too. The space between the dream of suchness is such highest form. The hall of nothingness is the cloud of nothingness. Yes. The power comes from the temple itself. It is the rule of departure, while the Watcher exists to uphold that rule. Dex is an immature Watcher, like authority to control, but he's been helping us the whole time. Are you saying it's not enough? But then what you can do? I'll offer up my memory. Oh, sure, Historia, sure. But you, because of my cowardly, the truth I know, the story tells it about too happy to bear. Keep asking about that. I mean, I hesitate. Come to you, the suffering of the human is yes. Oh, they not everyone say you're the treasure of humanity. Let someone else do it. Paimon, that's not equal, right? That's not right, Paimon. Everyone is equal. Oh, look at the the framing here. You can see Lin without her eyes, meaning it's no reason to sacrifice other is without asking willing to give up everything they live through. That doesn't feel like either. And then yes, as you can see, as expected, Lin saying the exact same thing your sister did, but this time absolutely refused to accept you. Being here is nothing to across the edge. Seeing every wonder this world has to offer, after all that isn't even a tiny part of your life. I think it doesn't matter really. The only thing is you only lost the memory of this place, right? I feel like that doesn't really important in my opinion. So long as the memory before that attached before we enter the Temple of Space, then it doesn't really mean anything unless all of memory from the beginning, like you become new person. That's why Hilda, Liz, I mean Lin, we will see. I think I finally know the answer to that question. Now that the most fundamental question of philosophy, which is whether one chooses to go on living tomorrow. What do you mean? This whole dialogue between Historia and Lin has always been confusing to me. You hesitate, and even the most to as long as I here, tomorrow is worth living through. No, Historia, which to you are made to mistake. Enlighten me, please. Why didn't Rita choose my sister? I don't know. And why it was really coincidence I was brought here? Because you are Hilda? You said it was just a coincidence. The sanatorium had announced its closure, but before the relocation, she went for a walk at midnight, and that's when she encountered Nilita. Is that simple? It also that incident. Listen, when you save yourself, you save the world entire. What do I mean? But if my sister had not lost everything she once remembered, she would never have chosen to go on living. But I understand why I was sure she was still alive. It's full of surely, and here I recall a passage I once read the novel Karasawa Ichi. Why suddenly this whole thing? I still what? Okay, who is Karasawa Ichi? The Savior offered himself in a world of darkness, willingly borne upon the cross. Only then is their soul redeemed, ascending into the kingdom of light. Oh, I feel like this is something else. Karasawa Ichi, who? Isn't that incredible? I mean, you can heal your own melancholy and save the world at the same time. So I'm not giving the chance to you. Huh? For a second, I almost thought that the hill was talking. Really her style, of course not. She doesn't read much. She doesn't quite the classic help as well as I do. There's no allowed to object neither. I mean either. I read the wall below with memory gone. And it telling me who I am and where I'm to be. Okay, so basically this confirmed that you lost everything even before you. Yeah, this is weird again because of Mikey in Tefat, which seemed to have lost his memory. But the last character, the last person that using this method was somehow Hilda. The timing, I mean the timeline, I'm confused. And well, we will see. We still don't know the whole thing. How are you supposed to respond to that? We only just meet and we're talking about erasing everything still over like none of this ever happened. A story of so good you forget everything just to again the same person. Okay, sure. What about so that was take us there. Is anything else we can do? I mean maybe you can talk to people before you leave. I still don't understand. I feel like I missed something. I'm missing something here. Oh, so why are we doing? So this is the second time we're going there again, right? The first time we go in there, our goal is different, I thought. But then now it changed again because the bridge is incomplete. I feel like people hiding thing, or maybe I miss a dialogue or something. Did I miss something? I don't see any. Where is Aline? Where are you? Yes. Okay. Anyway, yeah. The whole dialogue between Istorosa and Lin always been weird, in my opinion. Because I mean, I know what they mean. I just the way they say it is what I'm don't understand. I keep saying Istarosa, Historia. Anyway, let's just go. Why they have different answer? Let's see if I do this again. Will they have different response? Let's go. But it's the thing, we're gonna face Melanta. I don't know. I feel like there's so many things that I misunderstand, or they just don't have a good job telling the story. I don't know. Huh? What? Okay. Where am I? Where are we? This is different location. Where are we? I tried the procedure one last time. My sister grave down below is empty. Are you worried I might just sleep now and lie down in it myself? Alright. The sidewalk to heaven manifest from your sister memory was a verb, but part of it should still remain. This time your memory might intertwine with Hilda, which might cause something unique to. Okay, foreshadowing. I have noticed before, offering up all my memory is not to do with passing through the corridor of nothingness. Following you one final glimpse back is merely an act of mercy. The thing is, they lost all memory even before they went to this place. So, like, okay. Oh wait, when we end up seeing some really private stuff, Crystal belong to every moment if yellow rose seen inside. Okay, what are you talking about? Okay, that's why information about me. You know, I don't even know anything about you. What about your briefcase? Where is your briefcase? This will forward rebuilding the real me. Rebuilding. Okay. Together, I'm living. What about the briefcase? I feel like that's something we didn't do anything with. The briefcase. Never mind trying to talk to us. And you look to you suddenly so chatty. Is that so? Are we building a Cordova to the heaven right here? Yes. Then let's begin. You know how to do it. You're just giving up your memory. Just like that. And then we arrive. And who come with us? Only Lin then? I don't think. So where are we? Oh, I cannot leave. This is one time only area. Explore the corridor of emptiness. I mean nothingness. Oh. Okay, so we have multiple door. Somehow Inazuma with Bakedanuki. Oh, why? What is this? Okay, this one is we assume at first this is the Three Moon Sister, but I guess it's not. I don't know. They don't have horn. Is what I'm saying. What are we doing? Why we have Inazuma here? And this is another temple of space. What the? Isn't it for Inazuma? That's the area. What is this picture about supposed to mean? Dex? I don't see Dex. Oh, we have Dex. Dex just invisible somehow for a second. And then we went to Sumeru. Hello. What? Overwire. Okay. Is it a letter? Handwriting. Oh, this letter didn't make to collect down below earlier. I thought we got everything. Okay, yeah, this is one something that she left behind before she facing Melanta, I guess. She must still be alive. Why? We don't even read. They mean farewell. How do you know it's not farewell? Oh, you will. The dialogue is weird. Oh, you will. Not here though. What do you mean not here? What do you mean you will? As in soon, not right now. Memory. Cat. Once that. Hey, the one. This is the scene we saw in live stream. Please head to Temple of Space. Head to Temple of Space. Okay. It's too fast. Windmill raise their arm in farewell. Why we have Natlan creature? Because we went to Natlan now? There's so many questions. The frame is so... I don't pay attention. Who is that, by the way? Is that Lynn or Hilda? And then we go to Leeway. Yeah, the character there. Who is that? This is supposed to be Lynn and Hilda. They're twin then. Sanatorium is so... I still don't... The story... I need two full timeline with Lynn and Hilda from the beginning and then, because I feel like they might miss something. Submerged in water, summer. Yes, that's Lynn and Hilda. They swim without gear, diver outfit. They're using the same outfit as, I mean, you know, although it only applied to our character wearing the same outfit in the water. Because we know some diver in Fontaine wearing diver suit. Anyway, they visit a lot of area in Teyvat. Interesting. Including Natlan, which you know what happened in Natlan before. An old gentleman with curious tire. I don't know who that is. Alive from the purpose and vanished into a teeming crowd. You fail. Interesting that I'm using this outfit, by the way. I thought they start doing this, or almost. I thought they start doing this in Luna 7. This is Luna 6. Wow, how do you... This is secret area. How do you enter Ochka Natlan? What? How do you... Not cry, that one is easier. Ochka Natlan? Not to mention that's the above area in Ochka Natlan. The one which can only be accessed. How did they end up there? What? Huh? It's a sacred location. Nobody enter that unless it's emergency, you know, that Otskanathlan area above the sky. Why they there? What? I don't understand. Of all location, they're showing Otskanathlan. Not just Otskanathlan from the ground, but the above area. I know some people do exploration there as well before, I mean, but the chance to go there is so low. How these two girls end up there? I don't know. Anyway, moving on. Oh, cutscene? Oh, it's a poem. Okay, so that's the thing we read, what I found. Oh my, it's all emotion, not a flick of flutterly flare. Still, it's not bad. Yes, she can create making she able to make a poem. But you said she doesn't read. Maybe? As my memory will only fade quickly once we leave this place, so I know exactly who you are and who I am. I just saw all the world my sister used to reach out to me when we were a kid. Wait a minute, what? So I just saw all the world my sister used to read out to me. So they're not when we were a kid, the world we dream of together. When we were a kid, so they're not actually adventuring to this old area. They just reading a book about all the area, I guess. Maybe Tefat Travel Guide by Arlis. Okay, but how do you imagine is the Alice is there any book with picture of all the area? Because the area we saw is exactly look like the area in the real location, especially the Natlan, the one where you know. Anyway, are there really sunken treasure beneath Fontaine Heights, yokai in well yes, Bakedanoki in Chinju Forest. And yeah, Aranara exists. Have I grown up too much to ever see them again? My question is, how do someone, I guess, no, no, it not makes sense. But no, really. The one, okay, the other area is able to be in the book makes sense, but the thing, the one above Ochkanatlan, I thought that was a secret area. Like, I don't think, maybe some people record the data and then put that as kind of journal, I guess. So I guess it's recorded in the history book or some book, I don't know. I thought, anyway, so I assume they were visiting the area. I guess not. It's just something they read when they were a kid. Okay. When the sister read. Wait, the sister read? My sister used to read out to me. I thought your sister doesn't read. Anyway. Well, these seem things far more wondrous than that. They do exist. I'll see Aranara someday. Well, Aranara is a bit different, but maybe from now on, in this tower, they will only exist. They will only exist. They will exist only as two girls sharing along with the book. Okay. The garden where the Lord Lisun. The final judgment. Enter the atrium. Where's the reward? This area is permanent area. Okay.
この子たちも家出したの？
I still waiting for the twist. If there is any. Oh, we're gonna face. Finally, is it the cutscene we saw in the beginning? Wait, never mind. This is the talk. Child of humanity. No, you are. Which one? Paimon, me, or Lin? What? My creator? My lord? Why would you choose him and abandon me? Choose him? It's not him in this room. You mean Hilita? Are you talking to Dex? Dex is my creator? Okay, there's something going on here. Who is him? Hilita? He just suddenly fly into rage. Yeah, you are. Which one is you are? Send them back. The dialogue is weird. So who you referring to?
流れて
Who is him?
迷えるものよ正々堂々奪う全部あ
That's why what happened to him. Yes, that's what happened with Hilda.
嘘は
No
い
one
けない
died.
ね
Anyway. That's my question. It's not my question.
移して
Who is him? Who abandoning this? Someone.
輝け
But our character didn't talk about
皆のために祈ろう
the thing that Melanta said.
読む嘘はいけないね
Who is him? And who is the master? Who is he referring to? So many questions. I don't see Dex, so I guess I don't know. Mistranslation maybe because they assume Aether or something. Him, I don't know. And we teleport to different location using the Watcher. It's confusing. Find the hidden enemy and defeat them. Okay. Yeah, who? Okay. Like, again, the dialogue there with Melanta is a bit weird. Is that supposed to be a hint about maybe Paimon? But then why him? Is it Nihilita? The him abandon me for him? Like maybe mistranslation because they assume I'm playing as Ether. Something. That's it, fun. Oh, over there. Oh, okay. Oh, how's the one online? I don't understand. There's so many questions. And they have more questions. What do you mean, you area? We just doing the same thing, circling this area. What do you mean, Paimon? Look at that. Scary. Yeah. Oh. Huh? Is there supposed to be any outside? Thanks. Wait, I thought we need to find someone that. Well, maybe. Huh? You just test. So you need to seeing the one that's showing up, you know, the laser, not laser, the Watcher. That, you know. Anyway, yes, this area. So many questions I wanna ask you, Melanta. What do you mean by everything? And why Nihilita didn't just go here on his own? Outlander, you are no child of humanity. Wait a minute, since you are no child of humanity, so I guess Then why say him? I guess that mistranslation then. How should I address you? My name is Tabibito. What do you mean by child of humanity exactly? All who descend from the first ancestor saved by the Lord of all, and those born of that lineage, even the artificial people of the primordial sea, Pontanian, grant special pardon, are count among them. The one who descend from the first ancestor. Yes, I remember this. This is they're talking about I forgot the name. Voyager. Yeah, I mean, I think. But you stand outside this order. Why did a god take my brother? Interesting. Maybe when Melanta said him is Aether, so our abyss sibling is the one that got chosen as the new master by Asmodee. Basically, if I'm playing as Aether, Melanta will say her or something. I guess that's just my assumption. And interestingly enough, Melanta only talking to me. What about Paimon? What about, I mean, Lin is child of humanity, I guess. But what about Paimon? They didn't see Paimon invisible to everyone? Is that the reason why Paimon didn't get? It's not that because she doesn't have desire, like we assume, like our character assume. But Melanta just didn't see Paimon, which also makes sense which also confirm that, when Nihilita talked, when we meet with Nihilita, he didn't answer Paimon question as well, as if Paimon. It's not that Paimon ignored by Nihilita, but because Nihilita didn't saw Paimon or something. I don't know. That's just my guess. I need to watch that scene again with Nihilita just to make sure if Nihilita answers some of Paimon question or only answering my question. We will see. I cannot answer because I do not comprehend it myself. Yes, Asmodee doesn't make any sense, right? I once believed it was merely punishment for transgression, but now I fear there is a deeper meaning behind it, as it is with the heretical myth that light and darkness bear the light and darkness. Okay. Primordial human. Why suddenly answering all the questions so readily? Because we call this exposition, Paimon. Did he just answering Paimon or just continuing the thing that he said? I don't know. This is a rule engraved on my very soul. When a human child offer up everything in pursuit of an answer, I must speak in the creator's stead and with what. Okay, so it's answering Paimon. Okay, so Paimon is not invisible. It's that there goes my theory. But still, they only mention that I'm not child of humanity because I'm from different thing. So is Paimon child of humanity in a sense? I guess. But then again, basically, she's still part of the thing that come with the first human before, the whole dragon. Anyway, in the end, that human child will forget all things, fleeting answers. Oh, that's why you answer it. But what about me? I still have the memory. You didn't think about the other people beside Lin in this room, Melanta? Then why being harsh to the people in the Hall of Emptiness? This too is low. What is the law? Okay, the Hall of Emptiness is the one where we fight the thing when we saw Melanta. This too is low with the creator absent and Nihil fallen from Nihilita. Okay, so the name is Nihil before, basically Nihil and Melan fallen from grace. I must uphold the. Okay, so you're not mad. I thought you. Well, the people say you're mad, but you seem able to talk and do stuff. I must uphold the measure once set by my lord. This place exists only to preserve. All innovation, all evolution is forbidden here. Ah, that's why you... Okay, I understand now why you punish the people sometime. If I remember correctly, your name is Melantha, right? I know your name, human child. Hilda. Oh, never mind. Is it Lynn? How did my sister speak to me, to you? She said that she and I could never reach court, but that one day her younger sister would come and defeat me. What? Why? Hilda, what do you mean? That's confusing. I think the one who defeat him will be me, but why Lin? Do you heard that? In the end, you're one who were dragged into this victim in my conflict. I feel like there's something more to that, Lin. So we really just hire muscle chasing bit to pay. They still think, what is Ionis? I need to reread that sentence that Nihilita say. Ionis? What is Ionis? Nilta, the traitor, the fallen one. Okay, the traitor? Interesting. So, he abandoned his charge, yet dared to proclaim himself enlightenment. Okay. We watchers were meant only to stand in silence, keeping Vizil here at the filler hole of the world. You got work up all of a sudden, I guessing you're the one who gets sulky to see someone else free while you're stuck. Where is Nihilita anyway? My sister miscalculate in one way. I'm interpret, I'm not good with word, I'm read a lot, sure, maybe, but I even understand plenty of truth. But I am talking when I can, and one who will change your mind isn't me, and this will be me, yeah, right? Again, yeah, Hilda, anyway. Yes, I will be the one. But not talking, fighting, yes, of course. I still want to see Hilda now. What is she thinking? Unless, again, I don't know the twist yet. If there is any. Okay, so Melantha walk what sentry? Oh, voice! Yes. Melantha. Lord of Star? That's me? I'm Lord of Star? I mean, child of man, probably. Lin, I'm Lord of Star. Oh, am I really that strong? Lord of Star. What? They just teleporting me, yeah. So I wanna see all the moveset because I don't think we're gonna fight Melantha ever again. Unlike the boss we saw, because I don't think the boss below look like Melantha. It feels different. The color. That's what I mean. Kami no Hono. You speak. Stay word. Click. This whole leg here.
そう、ひどいな。そう熱よ。永遠なる。嘘はいけないね。丸裸にしてやる。真実はまるでありえない。あまたの巨像を打ち破らん。
Where are you going?
嘘はいけないね。なるほど。心を覗かせてもらうよ。流れて。行け。読め。
What element is that? Is it Pyro or Geo?
真実はまるで影。丸裸にしてやろう。
今宵月を捧ぐ。
素直に吐くんだね。読む。真実はまるで影。なるほど。
百回千女の滅びる時が来た。
Oh, Dex, you are powerful. And somehow Melanta didn't mention Dex. I guess Dex is nothing to Melanta. Nihilita. Wakaru. This, I mean, I don't know what he said. When the divine depart the throne, all creation are free. When the divine depart the throne, when Asmodee disappear, Melanta, what do you want to say? This come from years of living out of my own melancholy. So I suppose I send this a bit late. If your melancholy feel uncontrollable, that's a physical illness. You should seek help early. I mean, get some help. Yes, sure. You are like your sister, utterly incomprehensible. Creature like us, manifestation of the rule. Who shall we see when we fall ill? Doctor. Maybe you should see, I don't know, the shed, the other shed. Do you feel guilty now repeating occupation? Is needing to know what you're actually with. I think you should pick up some bad habit along the way. We interrupt the leads. Okay, sure. You have been seeing me like this for much longer anyway. Are you sure about that? Will you go again, saying something super saddening? Like I said, I got the darks. Okay. Yes, I have some question. Ask them now. I won't be here much longer. Are you saying you're done? What? Okay. Passing judgment on the painter who defiled the law of space, severing the path to the corner of nothingness. This is Mikey. Those were acts of transgression. My rebellion has triggered self-destruction as per rule themselves. Though I would rather not answer your question, but I suspect even that small act of deviance would only hasten my despair. Oh, yeah, but Aether, you didn't come this far, have you not? Your will is still your own, and your feet are still unshackled. Go find your sibling yourself. You're not like me, being who born their own wing only to watch them break. Why are you tormenting everyone? Tormenting them? No, I'm correcting them. I'm returning them to where they haven't intended. They sent to heaven, it reject its sacred stillness. Stillness. I heard a quest before titled Stillness of something. I don't remember which one is that. After the corruption of the mortal world, so that I'm jealous of them, jealous of the fallen Nihilita, jealous of change, freedom, and life. I thought that if I did everything right, then when my creator returned, she would praise me. That would have been enough to shoot me, not to perform them all wrong. Why would she not look back? Why did she not ask if I wish to live beside her? You were always stubborn and heartless. This is real. Okay, this Melanta is if you weren't this stubborn or heartless, the answer should have had a gap. If you shown even a sin of rebellion, she might have taken you with her. Being limiting. I want to know why people say this is another rubbish course. What did you say again? What did I say? What did I say? Is there anything you want to ask? Okay. Once the Abyss brought disaster to this land, the knight stationed there fought to the last and did not retreat. When the report of the battle arrived at Dorman Port, it contained only a single line. None who went to Windrise Peak returned. How long ago was this? I see, so that's where was a curse only warrior who fell in battle and slumber on. Basically, it's just a saying. My time is almost gone. I'm filled with hate for all of you, and still I want nothing more than to cling. Okay. You and your sister. mortal who love everything and everything. Okay, so I guess there's no twist. The sister and I mean Hilda and Lynn is two different people. A twin, I guess. I still think they are twin. You still yearn for an ending, and I, who want so badly to go on live, you must face mine instead. I mean, you didn't. I mean, if you didn't choose, I mean, you just anyway. Neil Tower mirrors from deep that word. Nihilita. Still have a lot of questions. And Melanta go bye-bye, I guess. And then Dex will become the next Melanta. Maybe. Oh, this is the teleport thing. Oh, Asmodee, are you watching? This is the second time we saw that. The first time was at the end of when Aether used, the Loom of Fate thing. So that Asmodee, then maybe the same visual. Huh. Is Melanta just gone? Oop.
罠じゃないみたいだ
We
ね
didn't talk
運
out
だ
with
ね
him. And what about? Oh yes, I still have one more thing to do here. The secret area, the one where, yeah, I forgot. I mean, that's probably something I do on my own because it's unrelated to the world quest, I assume. This is the atrium. Okay, so atrium is the top area of. Let me check. Yes, it's the top area of this. Oh, it's a cage of. I cannot see the thing. Cage of something. No, that's not what I mean. No, I wanna go that. No, I wanna this area. What do you call this? Cage of suchness. Suchness. What the name? Set of atrium of suchness become a cage for a Melanta. Yes, oh, yeah, sure. Melanta. Soon Dex will probably. Anyway, I don't know. How do I go back? Teleport. But how I should go back without teleport? I cannot teleport. This area feel like a boss fight somehow. Can I fight Melanta again? But he's not. Yeah, I need to teleport. We go back below. What about memory? What about Lin? There's so many questions. What about the kid? So we go back here in the end. We told Melanta a lesson permanently or temporarily. Indeed, looking at the sky tell me as much. Do Melanta say anything useful? Something, but it isn't really. I mean, sometime. I mean, he is. I guess. I don't know. The word watch originally referred to those who are awakened and enlightened. Okay, the watcher who close their eyes can only be swallowed by darkness. Yet awakening itself divide the creator's will. Speaking of which, Dex, we thought you play with you, took good care of you, you were raised by all of us together, so when you grow up, remember the kindness we saw you, okay? Huh? What do you mean? By the way, the heretical myth about light and darkness birthing the primordial human. Do you have an idea what is referred to? Yes, I remember this. Heretical myth about light and darkness. Abyss? And something? Primordial human? I'm not very sure what I mean either. The first thing caught to mind was the parable once condemned as heresy by the angel. A tale of the god of light who created a body in its own likeness, only for it to be stolen away by the king of darkness, the god of light. What, Panes? And the king of darkness, Nibelung? Within that single body, the power of light and darkness began to contend with one another, and so the primordial human, bearing both, come to possess both good and evil, is a lesser-known version of a primordial human myth. That's a bit too bare bone, not much evil had passed. I think this is something bigger, but I don't know. there's so much more. There's other thing that I want to know beside this primordial human, which I think anyway. I'm afraid I cannot recall much else about this at the moment. And you want to say goodbye to me, Historia? Oh, you apologize, and your sister too. Actually, while I was quite earlier, I was thinking about something. What is it? What my epitaph should say? Dia mortal, I mean, yes, except for me, traveler, maybe, I don't know. But I could not think anything before my sister fake tombstone already had such a good line, you know. So we assume now that the timeline, the sister grave is before the sister disappear from, to this area, then not after, because how the gravestone a thing? If yes, actually yes, this is. If we lost our memory, then how did the gravestone there after Hilda come back? So I assume that is before she enter Temple of Space. I mean, yes, you know the whole thing with. Anyway, what I'm saying. Come to me, and what will be to be continued. Sure, Lynn. Just like that. That's actually a good line. To be continued. I don't know. Imagine someone seeing your grave. To be continued? What? Anyway. Goodbye, Historia. Goodbye, Lynn. And when you see Hilda, give her my regard. What about this one thing? The character we saw, Mikey. That feel like something we should know more. We do learn about him, but I can't probably remember any of this. I can't promise you remember you either. But I remember somehow I accepted from this whole thing. Interesting that only one person need to lose memory, but the rest can just left with memory intact. That seems unfair, which means anyone here who want to leave can leave right now because we have the bridge open anyway. Anyway, come on, Paimon War, take me back down, then we'll meet again like it's the first time. I feel like where's the twist? What about Iones? What's Nihilita mentioned in the beginning? I still have a question. I need to check my own playthrough now because the thing that Nihilita said to us in the beginning have nothing to do with what we do here. Anyway, you have briefcase. Oh, you really do win up seeing anything if you live long enough. I was just thinking earlier you were incredible back there, so again Melanta, but what was it you what was it you what you did what okay, and who are you exactly? Okay, that's was really fast. Who am I? Your name is Regine. That's right, Osman Ismail and this is more. We are good friend. We met a day ago, I guess. I mean, that's true. Really, I can feel it. This must be true. I mean, sure. And your sister been traveling the world lately just to clear her head. Someday you two will meet again. She may not remember you at first either, but you share the same blood, not to mention the same face. We'll recognize each other right away. I mean, because they're twin, I assume. I have an older sister. You can ignore this gravestone. Sister put up herself just for fun. It's her way of saying. Wait a minute, are you saying this gravestone made after? That doesn't make sense. Why did the sister made the gravestone after she lost memory? Not to mention, she also have the epithet that she talked about with Historia back then in the thing. Wait a minute, what? Am I missing something? Am I misunderstanding? And this is just as simple as that? Not some plot twist that we're gonna see? There's so many things that I question. Again, we'll talk more after I'm done with this dialogue. Sister? It's kind of silly, huh? Eh? Anyway, there should be some information about you in the suitcase. Take a look if you remember the thing once you do. Okay, I will. And one more thing, you are an amazing person, like 700 watt damage. Okay, sure. Who, me? Everyone is definitely to you, so probably okay. And if anyone ever pick on you or make you feel bad, just write to me. How do you write to me? I don't have any address. Is there anything you want to do right now? I don't know, but I'm starving. Like, yes, we need to eat. I'm also starving. I want a chicken. Okay. Is this the end of the? Is this the end of the world quest? Wait, what? Where are we? Why are you alone? Without the briefcase as well. Is this after? I don't know. Guys, I feel like I'm confused. We learned a lot stuff, the thing that Melanta told us, and I mean, obviously the one with Historia told us as well. But the whole thing with the 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 thing is they add this character Lin. I don't know what kind of reference this story based on. I mean, they usually referencing some story from book of the past. That's basically always been like that. Not just in Genshin, but most game, pretty much the story from another novel in the past or something. Sometimes the title and sometimes the whole journey itself. But this time, I don't get the Lin and Hilda stuff. And I suppose I should. This is probably related to the whole new, being a new, become a new, or I don't know. There's so many things. I think it's more philosophical, just like Historia said. But my brain is just too smooth to understand the story behind Liz. And wait a minute, can we do this now? I can go up using the thing. So yeah, my brain is too smooth to understand what. We can go here immediately, hahaha. We can sit, hahaha. Before we cannot. Interesting choice. They add this later. So yeah, there's still so many questions. With again, Nihilita say something in the beginning. I feel like maybe what he mean was to free Melanta from the thing that the thing. Can you smack Melanta? Nihilita said. This guy Melanta is to rule Abid. Rule Abid. What am I saying? Abid rule too heavily. Can you smack him to realize that you can go out now that our creator is gone? Something like that maybe? I don't know what Melanta say, because Melanta mentioned the word Iones, but I don't know what Iones mean. Maybe it's not a thing, but an English word, because I assume it was something, because it has, capital A, Iones. But maybe it's something that, I don't know. I feel like I need to rewatch that beginning section. There's so many things. I don't know. Maybe the actual lore we learn will be when I explore the area itself without doing the world quest, because the world quest didn't really told us anything. I mean, it introduced us about the area, yes. The addition of Lin and Hilda storyline, I want to know what that mean, because I don't. In the end, we still have our memory back because of Lin, yes. But then again, I think even without Lin, we still have our memory back. That's my guess. I feel like I don't know. Mondstadt over there, and also Dragon Spine, and Storm Terror Lair. And this, wait a minute, this, so we know that the Mondstadt Fenty also facing the same direction, right? Let me check no, it's not. It's it's not. It's a bit different. The Mondstadt Venti facing this direction, like a bit angle to the right. This direction, a bit to the right. Not the same as this one, I think. I thought it has the same angle. Maybe not. Maybe it is. I don't pay attention to. I just assume from this image. But anyway, again, this world quest still, in the end, told us few lore about Asmodee, and at the end and the beginning, the one especially story explanation and how this Temple of Space designed for, and I mean not how, what I mean. How am I saying? Basically, it told us Temple of Space purpose, but with the addition of Lyn and Hilda, it make me think we're gonna see them again somewhere in the other area, I think. And where is Melanta? Not Melanta, Nihilita. Nihilita is somewhere still. Is Dex with us, or Dex still in Temple of Space? So who is this? Shadow construct wall for a watcher who once has happened yet the watcher who did not only the eternal punishment. Is this Nihilita? I wanna check this boss design, and then Nihilita design, and Melanta. I don't think Melanta. I don't think this is Melanta because the wing. This thing have both left and right wing. No, that's okay. It's Nihilita. That's Nihilita. I don't wanna fight you. Yeah, that's Nihilita. Okay, so this is Nihilita. He didn't say the name though. Say Shadow Construct. So this is just a construct born from. Well, no, really. This is Nihilita. A shadow construct born from the overflow of the mighty primordial being, which is Asmodee. So that's Nihilita. I wanna check the beginning of this quest again just to see if I misunderstand the point. What about Mikey? Well, Melanta did say something about Mikey, the painter who, you know, the whole thing with space, and then that's why he banned him. But can we see Mikey again somewhere, maybe? I don't know. I feel like there's still more to this quest, but the quest itself done, but the effect of it we can found somewhere. Like maybe we're gonna see Hilda or Lyn somewhere, and also Mikey. Maybe it's giving us a hint about Paimon. I don't think so. Because the dialogue, I wanna check again the dialogue when Melanta said him. Is that Aether or me? Because if someone choosing Aether, will he said her in the dialogue? Unless I mistaken the dialogue. Yeah, I mean, this is one of the world quests where I don't really feel it, if I'm being honest, compared to the other world quests that I saw so far. Maybe because of there's too much dialogue, first and foremost, especially what Lyn stuff. I feel like the Lyn thing means something. They're referencing something with Lyn and Hilda's story, which I don't get it. That's why I feel like that extra dialogue about Lyn and Hilda feel weird because I don't understand. The other thing is though about the whole lore behind the place and blah blah blah. I mean, it's just information at the very least. It's not more of a, you know, if you know what I mean. But the Lyn one, yeah, I mean, yep. At least I'm done with it, so now I can explore and probably will learn more about this area. As I haven't explored Win something. What do you name again? Windrise Peak itself. Not to mention Temple of Space, which probably I will learn more by exploring this area again. Most of this information will be through exploration, I feel, instead of the quest. So one more thing. So the last two quests that tied into exploration, right? Like so we have something like this before, right? The last one was Nightingale, which related to Rotwang, Iluga, and Red Miller, the one in Nordcry second island, this top area. This one I like. I like this story here. I feel like it's an overarching story. Every character I find here feel important and something compared to what we saw with Temple of Space, if I'm being honest. The same thing happened with in Luna 1 and Luna 2, the Shoemaker story, the one where we infiltrate the Abyss. This also feel important because again we're gonna go to Snezhnaya. We probably gonna see that girl again. I don't remember her name. The one with a mayor, not mayor. I don't know who's her father is, but important person I guess in Snezhnaya. Meanwhile, this Temple of Space, I feel like it missed something in the story itself. I mean, I think we're gonna learn more by exploring, like I said. But the story itself, as a standalone story, feel not enough. I will talk more about this at the end. I think if I have time, I will talk about all the thing we did, yeah, as usual, in live stream reaction. Part 1, yes, because part 2 already uploaded, which focus on the live stream itself. So yeah, that's all for this video. Next one will be World Quest, that prerequisite. We will see if whether I gonna upload the World Quest that was recommended to be done before I start Sumeru or not. If it's long, maybe I will just talk about it as a summary later. If it's still, I will still record it, but I don't know if I will upload it or not for that one. For this one, I already upload some, so I guess I will upload all of this. Still, again, I don't feel like, I feel like we're missing something with the quest, not the whole map, because again, exploration probably gonna answer some of my question. The thing that's funny to me, when I asked, do you know about my brother? What? And Melanta said, what? Search him yourself. Or something like that. I don't know, that's not the exact word, but you know, it's funny that he said, why asking me? Anyway, I don't know if we're gonna see Melanta again. Maybe we will, because Melanta, I don't know if Melanta gone or he just resting, but he said his end, so it's done. Maybe Dex will be the one who will replace Melanta and Nihilita now. The one who gonna protect Temple of Space. Still, at the end there, again, I saw this before. We saw the thing again, the thing we saw at the end of that quest with Loom of Fate Aether and, you know, in Atlan. It's a hint about something with Asmodee. I don't know when you're gonna do that. Maybe long after Snezhnaya story, maybe at the end, because Snezhnaya story related to the shed itself, right? The Hawk Panes thing, Celestia. We will see. Anyway, that's all for this world quest. A long day in the mountain. Yeah, until next time. Bye.